Here's an alert. Here's an alert for Arkansas.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clark County and southwestern Arkansas, eastern Hot Spring County and southwestern Arkansas until 4:45 p.m. At 4:10 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Arkadelphia, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Arkadelphia, Malvern, Rockport, Caddo Valley, Gum Springs in Clark County, Donaldson, Friendship, Central, Social Hill, Lower Lake Recreation Area, Lake Catherine State Park, Midway in Hot Spring County, Jonah Luno. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 68 and 97. Here are the latest weather conditions at 3 p.m.
Okay, guys, that's it. Bye.